Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you'll need a new app to open this MS Paint link in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is the Google Chrome application. Here you need to go with Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser. Once you are here at the Google Chrome browser, you need to copy a link which I'll be including at the description box below. So copy it and paste it here at the Windows search bar, Windows address bar. Okay? So let me just copy it here. Control V to copy. Control V to paste. And once you have pasted it, click on enter to proceed. Wait until you are being redirected to the result of the link once you have the click on enter. Okay? Okay. So you would be redirected to this link where it has this attachment where you can download this photo app restore.rar file. Now click on download and wait until it will be starting to download. So it will only take less than a minute since it only contains a lesser MB or B size. It in fact it contains only a let me check a 1823 byte size. Okay, so once it says there done, now click this folder icon and you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed. Okay, so here you need to copy this, or you can simply click this scissor icon and minimize this window, close your browser window, and try to do a right click here and click on this paste icon. Okay, once you have moved it here at the desktop, proceed with the keyboard, press Windows and R key together, and here you need to type for regedit. Now click on OK. And if your user account control will ask you to say yes, just proceed with yes so that you would be able to open the window. Okay, so here we need to back up our registry in order to avoid any complications. So just have to click on flop file, go with export, and here you need to select your desktop and name that into reged edit backup. Once you have named it, click on saved and wait until it will be done. So let me just minimize, and it's here being placed reg edit backup. Okay, once you have back it up, you need to proceed with the file or RAR file that you have just downloaded. Please do a right click. Okay, and here you need to scroll down and wait until the WinRAR would be available for you. Okay, so go with WinRAR and go with extract to photo app restore. The moment you have the click on it, wait until it will be done. Once it is being done, a new file folder would appear, which is this. You just have to double tap to open. Okay, and go with photo op restore, double tap to it, and here it will show you a photo viewer restore, which is a registration entries. You just have to double tap it and click on yes. Once you have the click on yes, you just have to close this window. In my case, I'm not going with yes since I'm not facing an error. But in your case, you have to do so. Okay, click on yes. Anyway, this step is basically harmless. It will only help you to fix the problem. Okay, once done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.